Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to add text to your iPhone lock screen. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To add text to your iPhone lock screen, you can utilize the customizable widgets and focus modes available in iOS. Here's how you can do it. Firstly, ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS and search for Lock Notes app. Install it to your iPhone. Once done installing, hit open. Then choose Display Note on lock screen. Now tap on the words to enter editing mode. Type your preferred words. Once done typing your preferred words to display, tap done. Then finally, hit on Add to Lock Screen. Just wait for a moment to save the changes. And when you head over to the lock screen, hold the lock screen, then tap on Customize, choose Lock Screen, then tap on Add Widgets, scroll down, and tap on the Lock Notes. Choose the notes that you typed before, tap the X button, then tap on Done. Tap on the current wallpaper. These notes will appear on your lock screen. By following these steps, you can add custom text or information to your iPhone's lock screen, making it more personalized and useful. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.